Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer, how to download files from HPC to your laptop. Sometimes for data analysis, sometimes for saving file, we need to do that to download file from HPC to your laptop. First of all, let me SSH to my account. Uh, this is the super computer I'm using as University of Wyoming, and I want to download file from here to my laptop. If I press ls, you can see desktop, everything download, files, different file here. For example, if I want to download in the desktop, I can go to the desktop, and here if I press ls, for example, if I want to download this file, if I open it, it's a text file. It's a text file. If I want to download the text file, first of all I should go to the where I want to, the place I want to download the file. I should write scp, then we should copy paste the my username and HPC address, which is the from here to here, and copy paste here. Then we need a column. This column is very important, and if I press ls here, we need the pwd to see the address for here. Address is this. We press the address, and we know the name of file we want to download is countcar1. When you write, so this is the HPC, your username and HPC address. You need the column. This is the address of file you want to download, and then you need the dot slash, which means download this here. This means here in desktop. So this means here. If I press this, you can download the file in your laptop, and if you open your desktop files, you can find the count card there. One thing, okay, what about if we want to, for example, now I want to download a complete folder. It's not like text file or stuff like that. So let's go to the bin directory. In my bin directory, I always have my subprinter script. So this is a complete folder that it has different file inside of that. So again, we will start with scp, but when you want to download a complete folder, you need a -r. You should add this extra to the, and then this is again the same, and we need the address to the bin. This is the address, and again we want to download it here in the desktop. So here means dot slash, which means here, and press enter. So you will have everything that I have in the bin directory. So I'm going to stop it because I don't want to download all of that. So for the complete folder, complete directory, you need the -r, but if it's a simple file, you don't need this. Also mention that for my university, when you press this, you don't need to press password, but for some of the HPC, when you enter this, you need to write your password of this, and then it allows you to download. But in my university, it's not necessary to write a password. And also, to wrap up, I should mention that for the simple file, you don't need you will, for both of them we will use scp. For the complete folder, complete directory, we need -r. For the simple file, we don't need that, and the rest is the same. We need the address, your username, the address of HPC, and the address of file you want to download. So if I press the ls in the desktop, oh, it's you can see Bean and Concord one, everything. I have thousand thing in my desktop. So you can see Concord, and also the Bean directory has been downloaded here. If I write C Bean, we have Bean with lots of things. I stopped to not download everything. If I want to come back, as I mentioned before, we can use this. So thank you.